Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So the Sunday World reports that the family of reality star Reverend Mawuzole Mlombi has appealed for help, alleging that he has been subject to his wife Nandipha Mlombi. His aunt Mantombi Slange told Sunday World that Mawuzole has suffered bruises, bite marks and scratches all over his body. We've witnessed physical attacks from Nandipha and we just don't know how to help him, Numantombi said. The first time we saw it was back home in the Eastern Cape. Mawuzole had come to be with the family and suddenly Nandipha arrived demanding money from him. She picked up an empty bottle and threw it at him, aiming for his head, but luckily she missed. We knew they had marital problems, but that incident left us completely shocked, fearing for his life. Even our father, who was present, couldn't handle it and he cried. That's when Mawuzole opened up to the family. He told us he was being physically abused. He said Nandipha constantly insulted him and at times even chased him out of the house. At some point, he was living in a shack after being forced out of the house. He said he hadn't told us earlier because he was too embarrassed and didn't want to burden us. That incident shocked us and made us fear for his life, said Mantombi. She said that the abuse continued after Mawuzole returned to Johannesburg. He was worried about his children, and I think she convinced him to come back, but it didn't last long. He told us things were even worse than before. Nandipha was still physically attacking him. Our main concern is his well-being and that of the children. Mantombi said, adding that social workers had tried to intervene, but were met with threats. At one point, two social workers were called to the house, but Nandipha wouldn't let them in. She grabbed the kitchen knife and charged at them while boiling water, threatening to attack them if they entered. I had to calm the situation, but the social worker had no choice but to leave without doing their job, she explained. His cousin Akona Slange confirmed Mamtombi's account and shared photographs of Mawuzole's injuries. What he's going through is extremely painful. We stay in touch and he keeps me updated. He's essentially become Nandipha's punching bag, but at least he's documenting everything. He's recently sent pictures showing bruised eyes and bite marks on his arms. Sadly, these attacks often happens in front of their children, Akona said. Social worker Queen Chauke weighed in. This is assault and the victim should report it to the police. Unfortunately, there's still a lot of stigma around abuse against men by their wives or partners. So these incidents often go unreported. Men who abuse frequently fall into depression and in severe cases they may become suicidal. Statistics shows that men are more likely to die by suicide because they don't open up, and when they do, they're often ridiculed. Viewers of Queen Nandi's reality show and Rev are very worried, you guys. They cite concerns over emotional and physical abuse depicted. Many members of the public have even called for the show to be cancelled. Guys, what do you think about the situation? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, like this video and do share it. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.